it's recording. Oh, you know it's recording.
Say hi to our future visit watchers.
All the thousands of future live watchers right now.
Say hi, wave.
Hello.
We are seeing Chris after the wine tasting.
Yep.
He didn't drink any wine at all.
Nope.
It was all on me.
Yep. Just passed it along. I got hit by a car.
He said it's just about the alcohol. I don't think so. So, here we see the wineland. Can you say something else?
We're using the battery on this conversation.
We're going from one wine tour to another wine tour. We are still here at day one of our Cape Town vacation.
Yes.
You want to describe something about our Cape Town vacation?
So, you know, we learned a lot about South African history and culture on the way over.
First I lost my suitcase, then I lost Chris.
Yeah.
And I just thought, can I please get my suitcase?
I don't care if I get Chris back.
Woo!
How's it driving the first time on the other side of the road? That is our bathroom fan for amazing. How's driving this Kia?
So, first time driving on the left side of the road, just hit 2 people.
Yep.
So far 1 dog, 1 cow.
Yep. They're okay though.
But we have the full car insurance.
Yeah.
And I always think if English people can drive that, like German can drive that.
Oh look, it's Cloverly.
Yeah. Hello, so now we are here at the smelling penguins.
Yeah, or playing with them.
You're playing with them?
Yes, you can play with them, but they bite.
Okay, we're looking forward to playing with them. Wir können nicht drüber, wir können nicht runter. Chris kommt von der Seite. Mitten hier an den Pinguinen, der in der Natur zu stehen.
Ja.
Die einzigen, die nerven, sind unsere 3 Touristen hier. How do you feel probably seeing a G-dubs?
G-dubs. You know, right now
This is slang language for seeing the great white shark.
G-dubs.
How do you feel about that?
You know, I'm super excited. I feel like we have a really good chance today. The weather's pristine. Don't
Maybe
interrupt me,
not,
I'm
we're
talking.
anyhow positive. I hope I'm not throwing up on the boat.
Is that a possibility?
Bikini figure.
Good, then I'll stay by you and I can also start throwing up because I need bikini figure too.
So we're here for our bikini figure. And for the G-dubs.
No, more for the bikini figure. G-dubs are just a bonus.
So there are less great white sharks in this area, what they told us, because of the orcas, but who wants a great white shark when you can see an orca, huh?
Amen, sister. Amen.
Global warming.
Eat more beef. Eat more beef.
Okay, we're stopping this video here.
This GoPro, we're happy, healthy, and alive.
In heaven. Mom, Dad, we love you.
Yes, we love you.
Julia, it's okay.
Do you have any final words?
No, my last word will be shark.
Shark!
Holy shit!